CORI Gap Planning UKA from Asian Orthopaedic Institute. Implant placement. Surface match the femoral component to the yellow line mapped bone. Fine tune the implant to the mapped yellow line in real time. Similarly, tibia, keep the poly slope according to the yellow line. Centralize the tibial component on the yellow line medial, not to overhang. Tibia, keep the rotation anterior medial 1/3 within the border of the yellow line. So implant placement is just a fine tuning and adjusting, not to too much of rotate so that it can impinge the cruciates. Once you get the gap planning screen, the orange line indicates this knee is tight from 60 to 90 mid-flexion tightness. Preoperative varus of 5 and 4. See the working window, superiorize, inferiorize, anteriorize, posteriorize to balance the gap by the femoral component. Once you balance, see the contact points in the femur and tibia posteriorly. Use Handheld robotic bar system. Take the color codings. Make it a white surface all across the bone. You can use the exposure speed control to remove the arthritic bone in order to fit the components in place. Once you're done with your burring, get the trial implants. You can get the knee balanced in full extension and flexion. You can see what you planned, what you achieved in real time. So deformity is undercorrected from 5 degree varus to 3 degree varus. It's planned accordingly. Thank you.